Today I want to show you how to freeze a frame in DaVinci Resolve. So first thing that we need is our footage. Let's place it on the timeline and place the playhead at the point that you want to freeze the frame. So let's put it over here. Press B on your keyboard to select the blade and make the cut. Move one frame forward with your arrow key and make one more cut. Now we need to move the second portion further away and zoom a little bit because we are looking for this section. Right click, change clip speed and make sure that this is selected, freeze frame. Now if we drag it, our portion, it should be freezed. So let's unzoom and attach the rest of it. And now let's preview it. Normal speed, the jump is freeze and it's continuing in normal speed. See you in the next video.